Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Lexus RX 350. This one's silver. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 295 horsepower. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch multi-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A dark brown leather interior. Sunroof. Come around back, we've got our RX 350 badging. Power liftgate. Set of all season and new floor mats. Fold down rear seats. This one does come with a keyless entry. Memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. A push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for our media display. Dual climate controls. Heated and cooled seats. Automatic transmission. Different driving styles we've got here that we can adjust. This RX 350 has 39,885 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Lexus RX 350, check out feldmanimports.com.